What is up, everybody? It is your boy Farai. Thank you once again for tuning into another video, man. Shout out Notification Squad. Hope you're having a great day and weekend. In today's video, we're going to be looking at the Dave Pensado vocal mix trick. This is a technique I learned a really long time ago. I really can't remember the video. Otherwise, I would have recommended it to you on Instagram or something like that. But nonetheless, let's get straight into it. This is a vocal effect I did in 2019, which I still like to this day. It sounds really nice and warm. And this mix trick really has a lot to do with it. I will mute this in and out while the track plays so you can really hear what is going on. Definitely check out the links in the description for my vocal recording course, vocal mixing course, and vocal enhancer for FL Studio if you do want to learn more about my template format as well as how to record yourself in FL. Let's get into it. She keep calling my phone, let it ring. What more could I want? Not a thing. When I met you, perfect timing. Damn, I've been really grinding. You shine bright like diamonds. Let me drape pass out. Ballin' at the club, sipping yak. Damn, I like the way you throw it back. I've been in the stool, killing tracks. Can't sleep, just can't relax. Late night, just riding. In the coupe, just sliding. Say she want them diamonds, so I'ma get her some diamonds. Just think about you lately, always on my mind. Texting me like daily. I'm so glad you mine. Cause I want you, do you want me? Anyway, that's pretty cool. Go check out the Y&W vocal effect for the full breakdown of this. I used a whole bunch of cool stock plugins. So yeah, man, let's get straight into the mix trick. Not gonna hold you for too long. So really what's going on here is we're making use of two plugins. This is a trick that Dave Pensado showed me. I think actually, I don't even know if Dave showed me this, man. This is probably from Andrew Ships maybe, but either or, it is what it is. It's a really cool mix trick. And what it basically utilizes is an 1176 as well as a Pultec style EQ, specifically EQP 1A. And what you do really is you overcompress your vocal into this channel, right? So essentially it is a vocal send. So I'm directly sending my main vocal to this channel right here, which creates a dupe. And then we're overcompressing the duplicate as well as EQing it. And the result sound is just this really nice, warm, fat kind of tone that we can add to the back of our vocal to get a much fuller sound. So, you know, that's pretty much what's going on. I'll play this a little bit with the plugins showing so you can actually see what's going on. She keep calling my phone, let it ring. What more could I want? Not a thing. When I met you, perfect time. I mean, it just really adds this warm, creamy texture. And if I mute it again, you can hear. She keep calling my phone, let it ring. What more? We can immediately hear that we lack low mid bass in the vocal sound as well as volume. So really cool. So obviously, you know, a lot of people might not have the UAD. Now, you know, your boy got you covered. Really what we can also utilize would be these two plugins right here. The first one would be obviously in 1176. This one is called the Fetish. Really interesting name for a compressor. But yeah, if you have a fetish for compression, it makes perfect sense. Now, obviously, because all plugins are kind of made differently, you know, we're going to get different results. So as you can see, the input and output knobs are kind of set differently. I set them up beforehand just to see if I could get a good tone, and I quite like it, so I can actually recommend this to you. But really what you want to enable specifically is obviously you want to get the attack and release the same. So you can see the attack and release have been set quite nicely, but you want to enable the slam knob right here, or the switch, and basically that's going to enable the all buttons in mode. All buttons in mode, I have one on this compressor right here, and you know, it's basically enabling all the buttons at once. And essentially what happens is you get this really crazy sound, as well as the needle actually moves all the way to the right, so you can see, right, set on 3, boom, it goes all the way to there. And you just get this explosive sound, right? So, you know, pretty much overcompressing the vocal. After that, what we do is then run that into a Pultec. Now we're utilizing this section right here. I personally love the Ignite Amps PTEQ. It sounds really good. It sounds a lot better than the Analog Obsession Rare Pultec. So, you know, definitely try this one out. But yeah, man, you know, everything's relevant towards obviously your source material. So you can try any plugins you like, but they have to be an 1176 and a Pultec clone. And you should sound good. So I'm just going to enable the free plugins and we'll see. It's going to sound a little bit different, but nonetheless, it's still going to sound great. She keep calling my phone, let it ring. What more could I want? Not a thing.
when I met you, perfect time.
You know, we still get that really nice creaminess added to the vocals. So I will leave these VSTs in the description, the links to these VSTs. They're both 100% free, so you can go ahead and download them. They are available for Mac and Windows, so shout out to y'all. Enjoy that, enjoy your weekend, and keep mixing. I'll check you out. Have a good weekend. Peace out.